What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel for another awesome unboxing video. Today we have the Hot Wheel Premium set here, the Spettacolare set, which is very, very cool. All Italian cars, racing liveries, classic cars, new versions of classic cars, and more. As you can see, it has the Italian flag on the card art, which is very cool. I don't have the chase, unfortunately. I'm trying to find it, but if I find the chase or you guys have the chase, please let me know in the description below. My Instagram is there. So I also buy and sell Hot Wheels. So let's get into it, guys. So the first car in the set is the Alfa Romeo 155 V6 Ti. This is the back end of it. You can see all the cars. There's your number right there if you are searching for it. So let's break this guy open. This one's work for me. There we go. There we go. So this is the Alfa Romeo full details. Premium, of course, roll cage, wing detail. This thing is sweet. Black rims, Bilstein Brembo, Pirelli Alfa Romeo on the back there. Quad exhaust. Has all the right tampos. This thing is sweet. Wow, this thing's nice. So this is the first car. Got the roll cage, 155. Great details on the front. Quality build. This thing is beautiful. So that's the first car. The second car is the Lancia. So this has been a premium, I believe, in a 2-pack that I have. And also maybe another series. I'm not too sure. This is the back, which is cool. Full racing details. Here we are, Lancia, big and bold on the back. Such great detail on these. Has bronze wheels, number 40. Hood slats, wide body, I guess. I've never seen one of these in person. So this is very, very cool. I hope they make an RLC of this so it has an opening back end. It would be very cool. Lancia Stratus. There's the bottom. So it came out in 2014. Okay, very cool. Got the bronze wheels. Very nice. And it's a darker shade of red, which is very cool. I'm sure the livery is a racing livery from back in the day. Very cool. Big wing on the back. Great tampos. Details. Some Monte Carlo, I think that says. Yeah, Monte Carlo 40. Very cool. So that is the second car. Let's go this way. Let's break this guy open because I don't want the other two to fall. We have the Alfa Romeo Giulia GTA in white with the logo. Very nice. I believe this has been premium a few times. Standard steel wheels. Let's see here. When did this come out? Yeah, 2016. Came out in 2016. Great details on the front. Alfa Romeo badge in the middle there. I've been privileged enough to photograph a few of these. Got the clover and the green stripe. It's a very, very classic design style with the tampos, and very simple with the paint. With the green and the white. Goes hand in hand very well. Here's the back. It's a Italian plate, which is cool. And mine got kind of beat up back here. But tail lights. There's a good image of the wheels. Of course, metal bottom. There's the headlights. Side markers. All in all, great casting. A legendary car. So we got two Alfa Romeos. And last, we'll go with this one. So this is the Lamborghini Countach LP 5000 QV. We got a Lamborghini Countach in the Jay Leno set, I believe. Red one. So this is a yellow one, which is cool. I also recently gave Mike Tyson one of these because he used to have one. So here we are. Move this guy out of the way real quick. Great design. So if many of you don't know, back in the day when you'd order a Countach, they wouldn't come with the wing from factory. So this is how it would come from factory. And the wings would come aftermarket from the dealership, basically. The dealership would put it on. Such an iconic design. So many posters on the wall growing up. This was the car for sure. Great wheel choice. Black interior. Would love to see this in an RLC or an opening version. I think would be very, very cool. Got your Lamborghini emblem, decals on the front, decals on the bottom there with the lights. So that says Lamborghini right there. Countach on the back with the tail lights, very cool. And this came out in 2021. That's when that Jay Leno set came out. So now we have two. So can't wait to see what Hot Wheels has up their sleeve with this guy. We love our Lamborghinis, absolutely. Love our Lamborghinis. Put that right there. And last is the Lamborghini Countach LP 800-4. This is the new one, 2022. You go for over $1 million. I've been lucky to see one of these in real life in Miami. Got to photograph it. And they also had an older white one next to it, which was very cool. And next to that, they also had a Sesto Elemento Veneno? No, not a Veneno. They had something crazy. It was like 1 of 20 in the world. But let's open this guy up real quick. I'm excited to get my hands on this one. There we go. So here we have it. The new Lamborghini Countach from Hot Wheels. Premium in white. Red interior. Absolutely stunning. Great proportions. There's the taillights, Countach, exhausts. Great detail with the emblem and the headlights and the wiper area. Aventador styling. Lamborghini Scion. Aventador Scion. Styling with the vents in the back. Very, very nice. Here's the details on the bottom. Countach LPI 800-4, 2022. So here are the two, old and new. Very cool. Let me know what you guys think of this set. And did you pick it up? There we go. There is the set right there, unboxed, ready for the display cabinet. Thank you guys again for checking in, tuning in. Be sure to like the video, subscribe, hit post notifications, and also be sure to check out the Instagram Steve Ray Photo. I share all my content from all over the world. I love sharing content. I love cars, and I love showing the art of the cars. So thank you guys again for the support. See you guys soon. Cheers.